Okay, 2.
Wait, did we put the phenol?
I did.
got it.
I put 2
Okay.
drops in.
Yeah.
Alright.
I transferred it and then put it in.
Do you need someone to help us stir the?
What?
It's just gonna
The
do it alone,
solution.
probably.
Yeah, he's gonna
That
do
is
it.
what I'm going to teach you, that you should,
One person can do it.
yes, only one person has to do the titration. If somebody else is stirring and somebody else is pouring, there is a lack of coordination and then you miss the point. Right. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it using 2 hands only. Right. Okay, you just need a very small piece of paper. Right. So this is your hydrochloric acid. Right. Okay. Bigger the aromatic flask, it's better to rotate. But this one is fine. Okay. So where is your did you put the phenolphthalein
Yes.
indicator into?
Yeah.
How much drop?
2 drops.
2
drops.
Okay. Okay. So where is it? Your reading is at 16.
16.
Okay. You do not see. There are 2 ways to do it. You can always fill it up to 100 and then try again. Or what you can do is you know that it's on 16, right? So I'm just going to do it from here. Okay. Suppose it stops at 40. So what's my volume that is used?
24.
40 minus 16. You can take the difference. Or if it's that confusing for you, just make it up to 0. But the thing is, if you continuously make it up to 0, 0, 0, again, probably you are going to use about 20-25 ml, right? So you are going to run out of the stock solution. So make sure you can do the continuous titration. This is called as continuous method. I'm starting from 16, I'm going to take the difference where it stops, right? Okay, so how do I do it? Okay, what I generally like to do is I can shift it on my left hand side, whatever hand you are comfortable with. Okay, I'm comfortable with both hands, so I can just demonstrate with this one. Okay, so it in your book says that you should go ml by ml, right?
Mm-hmm.
So did you go ml by ml?
Yeah.
That is why you got the dark pink color. Okay, go drop by drop. I know it's going to take a time, but do not lose patience over it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that how you should adjust it up to drop by drop method. Okay, just be very gentle with this thing. And you adjust the flow rate this way, see, and then you can shake it, no problem. Right? Now, I know it's going to take long, but this is a good method to get the exact value. After your experiment is done, I'm going to teach you on the board that how to get the values theoretically. Okay, so I'm going to do the calculation. I'm going to tell you how you get the values theoretically. From theory, I know that it's going to stop around 20 ml. From theory, I already know it. So I know my reading should be around what? 20 ml. So I can pour 15 ml quickly and then I can go drop by drop for 5 ml. Make sense? But if you do not know theory, do not do this kind of experiment, right? So right now, assuming that you don't know the theory and you don't know where your reading is going to come approximately from the theory, you go drop by drop, okay? Do not go ml by ml, it's going to take just one moment to miss the point, right? So adjust the flow rate. Okay, keep shaking. Right? Once it's near your equivalence point, I mean your net point of neutralization, it's going to pertain that color for a longer period of time. See, can you see the blue, pink color getting?
Mm-hmm.
But it's going to dissolve, right? Continue. One of my professors told me to do the continuous titration this way. That is also a good technique because you just need to shake it slightly. It's going to rotate. Okay, it's pertaining the color, so I'm going to slow the flow rate. Because any drop now, I'm going to get the dark pink color. So you should be very, very gentle with this. Do not lose patience over it. One drop now when it's gone. Can you see how the pink color was pertaining for long?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one drop extra and it got red. Okay, this is a little, one drop extra. I got one drop extra from here, but yeah, it should be very faint pink in color. This is a little bit dark again, so one drop extra, and you, because your phenolphthalein is very sensitive, right? If you use 3 to 6 drops of this one, it's going to give more darker color. It becomes more sensitive. Okay, so how many drops were in this?
Two.
Make it 1 this time.
Okay.
Okay, because it's very sensitive.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so what's your reading? It's 31.5. So I started from what?
16.
And it's 31.5. So I'm going to take the difference for the volume.
Mm-hmm.
31.5
So
minus
15.5.
right?
So would our first trial of 16 be good then?
Your first try was 16?
Yeah, first
Okay,
try was
the
16.
basic understanding of